What's the dish called that we're making?
Heads chicken soup.
This is how to make Heads chicken soup. Okay, step one is onions and garlic and like cauliflower stems, and then chicken in a big pot, and then oil, lots of oil. That's step one. Okay, so after about 10 minutes on 6 or 7, it goes brown. It's brown apparently, brown. And add in this big jug of water. Ooh, yummy. 2 tablespoons of each one of these. Per barley. Mung Dahl. 1. And here's the brown lentils. And then red lentils. You do 2 tablespoons of Naomi's vegetable stock paste, which is weird. Like, Hev wasn't using Naomi's vegetable stock paste when I was a kid. Randomly turn it down to 1 and simmer it and stir it. So you like simmer it for 45 minutes.
Then you're gonna put in the rest of the veggies.
Cut these veggies up real little.
Yeah, and then put them in. Now, you should put them in order of hardness. Harder vegetables go in earlier.
About like 25 minutes through.
Yeah, that's fine. So
When the
simmer in there for like 10 minutes, and then put the other veggies in, and then at that point is when you can take the chicken out, and I will tickle you all over.
and now I've put in the cauliflower and the zucchini, and I'm taking out the chicken. Bring it over here, and then carrying it up like this. This is a true story. When you put something in the pot cools down, so you turn it up a bit again to get the heat back up, because the thing you put in is a bit cooler. I just learned that from Smoochy Pants here. There's our loft job. While you're waiting, you can practice your electric boogaloo or your slides or your top rocks, whatever you want. My flatmate's gone down to have a shower now. And then I've chopped up all the chicken. It's there, it's about to go back in. So currently this is just a vegetarian version for Naomi. And I'm gonna do her dinner and then her lunch tomorrow. And then I'm gonna put all the meat back in there for the rest of us. Yeah, I mean that's what good flatmates do for each other.
I know where your tickle spots are too. You got some here, and you got some here on your
Penis tickling.